Hi everyone, so we're at the Fullerton Loop. We're taking a little break right now because one of the S22s did an S22 deck, and it was one that had the pin motor as well. He just put the pin motor in, so that was kind of sad that he still had that problem, and but it'll get sorted out. Anyways, while he's doing that, I figured I'd show you guys the stuff I was testing. So one of it is this new linkage thing for my helmet mirror. Whoa, there we go, this one. So I'll put a link, but the original one is black and shorter, and over time it kind of loosens up. And so this is a part that you can get right on Amazon. It is much stiffer, so the mirror doesn't move as much, and it's strong, it's good. The only thing I don't like is that the color doesn't match, but I can see if I can try to figure that out. The other thing I was testing today, let me see, is my little bell. And I actually decided to put the bell, hang it off of my left hand, because it's actually working a lot better than I expected. Because, well, let's see, first I put it on my hip bag, and it wasn't doing as much as I'd like. But when I put it over here, I found that as I'm riding, I can just shake my hand and then have it ring, or I can really shake it and have it ring a lot more. And then I can also grab it and silence it, and then I'm holding it as I'm riding. I can just let go of it and start ringing again. I still have to mess around, but the idea is ring, grab it, ring, like that. And that's the quickest, because it does have that mode thingy, so that you can turn it on and turn it off, but that takes time. And while we're out here on the trails and seeing people and bicyclists and stuff, we need much quicker reaction and having access to turn it on and off really quick. And sometimes the simplest things. So of course I've always used my buzzer. So this is a light and buzzer combo, and it goes to right there. So when I press my button, so that's a chirpy one that I always use, but it is very loud, and some people find that it sounds aggressive, I guess. And some people have said that well, maybe if people hear that at them, then it might piss them off, and then they don't want to move for you, or it just pisses them off and stuff. So in order to not piss people off and stuff, that is why I have the little ding-a-ling bell. So that one, the whole purpose of that one is to have something a little more passive, a little more like just a pleasant sound. So there you go. I think it is good. And I'll keep using it. I will keep using both of mine. I have my buzzer and this little bell. So I think it's definitely an addition. I'm just going to play around with different ways to mount it, but I think having it here on my hand, I actually really like that. So there you go. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll talk to you guys later.